Did you know that the collision repair industry is constantly in need of fresh, skilled talent? It's an exciting field, offering hands-on careers with incredible earning potential. But here's the thing, it's not just about filling a job, it's about shaping a future. It's about giving students the skills to step into a career that's crucial, hands-on, and ever-evolving. What if your extra tools, safety gear, or leftover materials could make a real impact on the future of tomorrow's skilled technicians? Introducing the Donation Exchange, a simple platform that connects you with collision repair schools in need of resources. Getting started is easy. Just register your company or local business on the platform, and you'll have your own account to list tools, parts, and materials for donation. It's fast, secure, and in just a few clicks, your resources will be available to schools near you and across the country. Once you list your items, instructors can easily browse available donations and select the materials they need, whether it's safety gloves, paint supplies, or parts like quarter panels. Your donation directly supports collision repair programs at no cost to the schools. And here's the best part. Your donation is tax deductible, making it a win-win for both you and the next generation of skilled technicians. Your donation is more than just a gift. It's hands-on training for students. These resources help students gain real-world experience, preparing them for high-demand careers in the collision repair industry. It's simple, it's impactful, and it's your chance to make a difference. Join the Donation Exchange today and help build the workforce of tomorrow. Donate today, shape tomorrow. Visit donationexchange.org.